Huh?
I think so, yeah. Yes.
This is the Kimber that I'm shooting with right now. So watch out. Ooh. Oh.
12 o'clock.
That worked. Is that it, Dad?
You'll know. That's it.
That's it. Here, come over here. Let's check it out. This is where I was aiming. As you can see, I'm a badass.
Look where you got two of them right beside each other.
I know. Not me. Don't mess with me. I'll hurt you.